talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Mario Kart app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for so you're looking for Mario Kart app, or just click on search, then here add Mario Kart app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.